You like your weasel? You like your weasel? Huh?
Oh, we did have some light bulbs in here. Okay.
Oh, good.
Yeah, we had one left. Now we have two.
Is that good? Huh? Is that good?
Cooper, do you like your weasel? Trying to pull the head off.
Dude, what are you doing?
Just trying to pull the head off.
Can Mama see it for a second? Can she see it for a second? Can she see it for a second? No?